Hello everyone, in this outranking IO review, we examine the features, the pros and cons, and the pricing to determine whether it fits for you to use in 2025. So to get started, Outranking IO is like a super smart assistant for your writing. This AI tools help you create articles that are clear and easy to read and rank high on search engine. It analyzes top articles and gives you suggestions to improve your writing. Need help getting started? Outranking IO can create outline and headings, even write part of your content. It also ensures you use the right keywords so people can find your articles online. With Ranking IO, you can write excellent articles that people enjoy and reading. Now, talking about the key features about this platform, it comes with a wide range of features. So Outranking IO is a pack with features designed to help you create a fantastic SEO content. And let's take a close look at some of the highlights that make these two stand out from the crowd. So one of these best features that makes it stand out from the crowd is the AI-powered SEO, together with the AI SEO writing and the SEO briefs, together with a content strategy and a plagiarism removal. Now talking about the plan of this, Ranking.io offer a free different plan to various needs and budgets. And here's the breakdown of the circuit offering. So it comes with a starter plan, a SEO writing together with a SEO wizard and a custom plan. So you can just get back to the website if you make an informed decision about which plan would be a best plan for your content writing together with the allocated features to each plan. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this content writing platform. Thanks.